April, I'm TD. I'm going to be filming you. How are you?
Great. How are you?
Good. First skydive?
Yeah.
Okay, tell everybody at home here why you're doing it.
Because I've always wanted to do it.
Always wanted to do it?
Yep.
First jump?
First jump.
How do you feel about your instructor, Justin, there?
I think he's great.
You trust him to take you on a safe skydive?
Mostly as long as he opens up the parachute.
Yeah, well, that is true. That's true. Okay, well, since we're going skydiving, ask everybody this question.
Okay.
Any famous last words, just in case? Because you never know.
Just in case. Everybody, I love you.
All right, we'll see you up there. Have a good jump, okay? Are you ready to skydive?
I am.
I'll see you out there. Have a good jump, okay?
Let's go.
We meant not stand up, just keep them up. How did you like that?
I loved it.
What?
Absolutely loved it.
Awesome. Why don't we take those goggles off, just pull them forward first. There you go. Tell everybody at home here, would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Thanks for taking me with you. One more crazy skydiver, just like that guy behind you. Nice job.
Thank you so much. That was great.